I'm Matt. Knowing how to cite an image in MLA is an essential bit of information. Fortunately, the process of creating an accurate citation is fairly simple. Digital images are picture files that can be viewed electronically by a computer, smartphone, or tablet. They can include photographs, illustrations, or graphics, and they can be sourced from web pages, online databases, or even images that are simply scanned into your own computer from an original physical source. As we all know, the digital realm is a massive place in a constant state of flux. Individual web pages are unlikely to stay at the same URL for very long, and even entire database collections can shift from host to host without warning. For this reason, it is necessary to include some information that will allow your readers to find the image in question, even if the original source is no longer available. When creating an MLA image citation for a digital file that you source from an individual website, the first thing that you want to do is compile the following information: the image creator's name or article author's name if the image is from an article, the title of the digital image. If the image has no title, then provide a description of the image. Do not use quotes or italics. The title of the web page where the image was found, any numbers associated with the image. If the image in question was published with an image number or version number, then include this information in your citation. The publisher of the image. Remember, Google Images is not a publisher. Make sure that you are citing the actual web page where the image is being hosted. The year the image was created, if you know it. The date it was published. And finally, the URL. You can omit the hypertext protocol prefix. If the citation for your image will be viewed on a digital device, it's helpful to make it clickable. This ensures that readers will be able to easily access and view the source themselves. Many museums have online collections of their work. Follow this information to cite paintings, photographs, and other artwork you find in these digital collections. Begin with the creator's last name and first name. Italicize the title of the digital image and punctuate with a period. List the year it was created. Italicize the museum or publisher's name, provide any numbers applicable, and end with the URL, DOI, or permalink. These examples are based on information from the MLA Style Center page on How do I cite a museum image that I viewed in person or online? Here's the standard structure for a digital image citation found on a website. This follows guidance found on the MLA Style Center page, How do I cite a photo or other image reproduced in a website article? Begin with the author's last name and first name. If the image has no author, start the citation with the title of the image. Place the title of the digital image in quotations with a period before the end quotation. Italicize the title of the website and provide the numbers if applicable. Then list the date it was published. If there is no date, leave that information out. End with the URL, DOI, or permalink. If there is no title, write a short description of the image in place of the title. This description should not be italicized or placed in quotation marks. The rest of the citation will follow the same structure as before. Many digital images can be found on databases. Perhaps you found an image that is in a journal article on a database. In addition to the normal information you need for an image citation, you should also include the title of the journal where the image was found, the names of any other contributors responsible for the digital image, the version of the image if it has one, any numbers associated with the image. In this case, this can be a volume and issue number, the name of the database where the image was found, and the location of the image, such as the page number. Again, it is important to include not only the name of the journal, but also the name of the database. This will allow readers to locate and view the digital image themselves, even if the database has changed hosting locations since the date when you first accessed it. Let's look at a couple of frequently asked questions on this topic. What if I cannot find the required citation information anywhere on the source website? For many images, it's often possible to find out more by looking at the web page the image came from, or by finding the metadata, the built-in image information that may have been added by the host when the image was originally uploaded. Some images will allow you to access the image info when you right-click on them. A dialog box will open that may contain a host-generated image description, which sometimes includes the official title of the image, the name of its creator, or both. What exactly is a DOI, and where can I find it? A DOI is a digital object identifier, and as the name suggests, it can make it very easy for a reader to find the exact location of the image, document, or journal that you are referencing. A DOI is displayed as a string of numbers, and can usually be found at the top of the publication that you are referencing. If a DOI is present, it is a good idea to use this instead of a URL, because it is a more reliable way to ensure that your reader has ongoing access to the material, even if the URL changes from time to time. And that is how you cite a digital image in MLA format. Be sure to use the EasyBib citation tools if you need any help creating accurate citations.